Hello everyone, I Mohit Tiwari, Faculty of Department MCA from Technical Institute of Advanced Study. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of IP security. The IP security is an internet engineering task force, a standard suite of protocols between two communication points across the IP network that provide data authentication, integrity and confidentially. It also defines the encryption and decryption and authentication packets. The protocols needed for secure key exchange and key management are defined in it. Now we will discuss the use of IP security. The IP security can be used to do the following things. First one, to encrypt applications layer data. Second one, to provide security for routers sending routing data across the public internet. To provide authentication without encryption, like to authenticate that the data organized from a known senders. Last one is to protect network data by setting up circuits using IP security tunneling in which all data is being sent between the two endpoints of encrypted, as with the virtual private network connections. Now we will discuss component of IP security. It has the following components. First one, ESP, that means encapsulating security payloads. It provides data integrity, encryptions, authentication and anti-relays. It also provides authentication for payloads. Second one is authentication header. It also provides data integrity, authentications and anti-replay, and it does not provide encryptions. The anti-replay protection protects against unauthorized transmissions of packets. It does not protect data confidentially. Third one is Internet Key Exchange, that means IKE. It is a network security protocol designed to dynamically exchange encryption keys and find a way over security associations between two devices. So I hope you understand the topic of IP security. Thank you very much.